The Fusion 360 pipe command allows you to create complex t-spline surfaces from edges or sketches. To create a surface with the pipe command using these sketches, I'll make sure I'm in the Sculpt workspace and I'll come up to Create, Pipe. I'll start by selecting the geometry. I can change the pipe size in the global diameter field of the dialog. I'm going to make my pipe a bit smaller by entering a value of 10. You'll notice that there's a display mode for box, which is default, or smooth. Box mode is chosen as the default because it gives us better performance. I can set the appearance of each end of the pipe in the End Types tab of the pipe dialog. I can set each end type to open, square, or spike, or I can set each end individually by selecting the tag on the end of each line segment. I'm going to go back to the Sections tab of the dialog. After clicking the Path selector in the dialog, I'll add these two line segments to my pipe path. But before I do so, notice the small gap between the two lines. And you can see two separate pipes are being created. This becomes more apparent when we check the Display Curve Splits box here in the dialog. This option gives us insight into what kind of connections are being made. 3 into 1, 4 into 1. But here you can see the two curves are missing each other. We can address this by modifying the curve tolerance. In doing so, it will adjust for the amount of space in between the curves. In addition to curves and splines, you can utilize edges as input for the pipe command. Selecting the edge will build the pipe, and as you select additional edges, it will create the joint in between them. Pipe sections can be added by first clicking the section selector in the dialog, and then by clicking on the center line somewhere along the pipe. The green dot indicates a midpoint. Sections can also be resized or moved by clicking them and dragging the manipulators. That concludes this video on Fusion 360's pipe command.